Good morning student, myself Pankaj Kumar and welcome to my class. In last video we understood how to find perimeter of a square, rectangle and triangle. Today we will see how to find area of a rectangle and square. So first you need to understand what is area. The amount of a space inside the boundary of a flat object such as square, rectangle, etc. is called area. Okay, the amount of space inside the boundary. Here you can see we have rectangle and here you can see the space inside the boundary of this object, and here we have rectangle. So this space is called what? Area. Okay, now how to find out this space or how to find out this area? So area of a rectangle equal to length into breadth. This is the formula. Okay, area of a rectangle equal to length into breadth, or in short we can write L into B, where L is length and B is breadth. Okay, now let's solve one example and try to understand the concept. Find the area of a rectangle. What we have to find out? Area of a rectangle whose length is given 10 centimeter and breadth is 5 centimeter. As you can see on the screen, here we have rectangle and length is given 10 centimeter and breadth is given 5 centimeter. Now we have to find out area. So you know very well the formula to find area of a rectangle, length into breadth. So first write the formula, area equal to length into breadth, or you write area of rectangle, or short also you can write area equal to length into breadth. Now use the value. So length we have 10 centimeter, that is given in question also, and breadth we have 5 centimeter. Okay, when we multiply we'll get 50 centimeter square. Okay, now the very important thing, now unit we have to write in square. As you can see on the screen, centimeter square. Okay, the same way whenever you find area you have to write, you have to give square in unit. Okay, so you have to write the unit like this only, centimeter square. If meter is there, then meter is square. Okay, now for a square, so here we have the formula to find area of a square equal to side into side, side into side. Okay, side into side. So in square you know very well all sides are equal. Now let's solve one example and try to understand the concept. Find the area of a square whose side is 5 centimeter. One side is given 5 centimeter, that means all side will be 5 centimeter. Now we have to find out the area. Now you know the formula, side into side. Area of a square equal to side into side. So you can write here the formula first, area equal to side into side. Okay, now we have the side 5 centimeter, use that 5 into 5. When we multiply, we get 25 centimeter square. Unit here you can see we have centimeter, so this will be centimeter square. This is the answer. Understood? So this is how we have to find out. You have to use the formula for finding area of a square. Okay. Now let's solve exercise question. So here we have question number 1 from the exercise 23.2. Okay, find the area of a figure given below. As you can see on the screen, this is the figure, and for this figure we have to find out the total area. Okay, the given figure can be divided into rectangle A, B and C. That means this figure can be divided into 3 parts, A, B and C. Now let me show you how we can divide. Now this one became rectangle A. Now this one became rectangle B. Now this one became rectangle C. This is how we can distribute it. Okay, now let me give the value. So length here we have 3 centimeter, breadth we have 1 centimeter, here breadth we have 4 centimeter, and from here to here we have given 1 centimeter, and for this breadth we have 1 centimeter, and for this length we have 2 centimeter. Okay, now you can see for this rectangle we have length and breadth and value is given, and for rectangle B we have 4, and this side we have to find out. This side we have to find out. So clearly you can see from here to here we have 2 centimeter. Okay, and from here to here we have 1 centimeter. That means 1 left. So this will be 1. Okay, this length will be 1 here. Okay, now 4 and 1 you got 1 we got here. Now for C we have 2 and 1. Now individually we have to find out the area. Okay, that means first we have to find out the area of A. So area of A equal to 3 into 1. 3 is length here and 1 is breadth here. Okay, 3 into 1. When we multiply we will get 3 centimeter square. Now we are finding area for particular rectangle. Just now we found out area for A. Now we will go for area of B equal to 1 into 4. Here you can see 1 is breadth and 4 is 1 is length and 4 is breadth here. Okay, so 1 into 4, when we multiply we'll get 4 centimeter. Now we'll go for C. So area of C equal to 2 into 1. 2, this is the length, and 1, this is the breadth. Okay, 2 into 1, 2 centimeter square. Okay, so this is the area of A, B and C. What we have to find out? Find the area of the figure. Finally we have to find out area of the figure. So therefore area of the figure equal to 3 plus 4 plus 2. 3 plus 4 plus 2. When we add we'll get 9 centimeter square. This is the answer. Okay, this is the answer. So this is the complete area, 9 centimeter square. Understood? So this is how you have to solve this type of question. Now question number 3, find the area of rectangle whose length is 15 meter and 6 meter. Sorry, breadth is missing here. Here. Okay, now see the question. Find the area of rectangle whose length is 15 meter and breadth is 6 meter. Okay, now we have to find out the area. We have to find out the area of rectangle. Okay, you know very well what is the formula to find rectangle of find area of rectangle. Length into breadth. Length into breadth. Use the value. 15 we have length, 6 we have breadth. Okay, when we multiply we'll get 90 meter square. A unit you can see we have in meter. So 90 meter square. This is the answer of this question. Okay, now find the area of a square whose side is 4.5 centimeter. Now we have to find out area of a square whose side is 4.5 centimeter. That means all side will be 4.5 centimeter. Okay, so what is the formula to find area of a square? So area of a square equal to side into side. Side into side. Now use the value 4.5 into 4.5. When we multiply we'll get 20.45 centimeter square. Centimeter square. Unit you can see centimeter is given, so according to that we have to give here centimeter square. 20.45. This is the answer. Okay, so children, today whatever I have discussed with you, I hope each and everything is clear to you. Thank you.